You sit down at a restaurant, the waiter smiles, and suddenly your brain forgets all the English you know.
Don't worry, we've all been there. Today, you'll learn how to order food confidently and naturally without sounding nervous or robotic.
Welcome to 5-Minute English Talk. Just 5 minutes of practice a day can turn everyday moments like ordering food into confident, natural English conversations. I am Bruce.
And I am Stacy. So let's dive in. Imagine you're at a restaurant. The waiter comes over and says, "Hi there. Are you ready to order?" You can reply with, "Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please." Almost. "Can I have another minute, please?" See how polite and natural that sounds?
When you're looking at the menu, you can ask questions like, "What do you recommend? Does this come with fries? Can I get this without onions?" These are simple but very common phrases, and they make you sound confident, not shy.
When it's time to order drinks or sides, you can say, "I'll have a lemonade." "Can I get a glass of water, please?" "I'd like a coffee to start." And when you want to add something, just say, "Could I also get a salad on the side?" "Can we have an extra spoon, please?" Notice how adding please makes every sentence sound friendly and respectful.
Now, what if you're not sure what something means on the menu? You can ask, "What's in this dish? Is it spicy? How big is the portion?" These questions help you sound comfortable while still learning.
And when your food arrives, here's a natural way to show appreciation. "This looks delicious." "Wow, that smells great. Thank you. It looks amazing." When you're done eating, you can say, "Can we get the bill, please?" Or, "Could you bring the check, please?" Both mean the same thing. Bill is more common in the UK, check in the US.
You can also add, "Everything was wonderful, thank you." That small line leaves a great impression. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Pause slightly between each line. "I'd like the pasta, please. Can I get this without cheese? I'll have a coffee to start. This looks delicious. Can we get the bill, please?" You just went through an entire restaurant conversation naturally. Here's something interesting. In many English-speaking countries, being polite and friendly with servers isn't just manners. It's part of the culture. A simple please or thank you goes a long way. It makes your English sound not just fluent, but warm and human.
Let's see how natural conversation sounds.
"Hi there. Are you ready to order?"
Almost. "Can I have another minute, please?"
"Of course. Take your time."
"Thanks. Okay, I'll have the grilled chicken with a side of fries."
"Sure thing. Anything to drink?"
"Yes, just water, please."
"Great choice. I'll bring that right out."
See how natural that sounds? Smooth, polite, and friendly.
Here's your 5-minute challenge. Next time you eat out, or even when you imagine it, practice saying your order in English. You can even try it at home when ordering delivery. "I'd like one large pizza, please." Just 5 minutes of practice like that builds real-world confidence.
Remember, it's not about memorizing scripts. It's about learning rhythm, tone, and politeness. Every time you speak English in daily life, even for something small like ordering food, you're improving.
Thanks for listening to 5-Minute English Talk. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, share, and subscribe the show. It helps more learners discover us.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and next time you're at a restaurant, you'll sound like a pro. See you in the next episode.